Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. So today I got a new perfume which is Mont Blanc Explorer, which is Eau de Parfum and it's 100 milliliter. So this is the box, which is very nice. So the reason why I bought this Mont Blanc Explorer, many of people in perfume group said to me that this is the closest dupe that I can get, same as great Aventus Cologne. So it's mostly same kind smell like Aventus Cologne. So the reason why I buy the Explorer, because of course the Aventus Cologne is it is a niche perfume which is kind of very expensive, but of course the smell is great and it is long lasting. So let's unboxing and smell it. Okay, so the box is kind of nice. Okay, this is box and you can find barcode here if you want to check the authenticity of the perfume. So the price of it is 300 I bought it at 255 ringgit at Fragrant Krita on Lazada, which is promo at that time. So mostly people will sell it 320 or something, I don't remember, but it is at that price range. So this is the box, so let's open it up. So here, so it is very perfume. It's like you touch a leather here, and this is the lid opener. So here you can see this is writing here Mont Blanc Explorer and the logo. Okay, so it's very, I kind like holding the cap because it's very heavy. It's kind of like you feel something like what I say, something very sturdy. Yes, I don't know, it's maybe made of metals. So it's got writing here Eau de Parfum, made in France, 100 milliliter. Yeah, so there's a code here if you want to check the authenticity. Okay, so let's try to smell it. If is it true that this is the dupe of great Aventus Cologne. I have spray perfume. I hope it doesn't smell difference. I don't feel so great smelling because it is very striking. It's very like what did you say? In Malay we say bau dia keras, like it's like a strong smell. Yes, strong smell. It's I think it's not the same as Great Aventus, but maybe a bit like smell of Great Aventus, but yeah, the perfume is smell great. So I forgot how the Create Aventus Cologne smell. So let's spray it a bit to differentiate it. Yeah, it's kind maybe a little bit same smell, but I think it's very different. But overall, I like the Mont Blanc. So if you like going to walking, dating, I recommend it. And I've done some Google, and it has this base note. So it has bergamot, blackcurrant, pineapple, mint, green apple, hard notes, which is jasmine, rose, birch, patchouli, and the base note is musk, vanilla, oak moss, ambergris. So, sorry, this is Aventus Cologne. So this is the Explorer. Bergamot, cow research, pink pepper, hard notes is vetiver, leather, cocoa, and the best note is patchouli, amberfix, akigalaut. So, and most of people like it. Yeah, I of course like the smell too. So I totally recommend it if you are working inside office, or maybe you are going to date or anything. So I totally recommend it, and I very like the case. It is very kind of like elegant compared to the perfume like Hugo Boss that I buy before. Hugo Boss bottle unlimited, Hugo Boss bottle the scent intense, and last Bulgari Men in Black. I like this one. So that's all, I guess. So if you like my channel, you can subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget for my next video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye. Take care.